Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to manage your subscription on Twitch app. So if you want to manage your subscription on Twitch mobile app, you can follow these steps. First thing first, open the Twitch app and ensure you're logged in. Once you're logged into your Twitch app, you just want to tap open the profile at the very bottom right corner of the screen. When you go to this section there, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for the subscription. If you cannot find one, tap onto the gear at the top left corner of the screen. There you have subscription. You want to tap open that up. Now this page displays all your active subscriptions, including those purchased on mobile and other subscriptions as well. Once you've done this, you could go ahead and tap the specific subscription you wish to end and follow the prompt to cancel or select cancel subscriptions. Now, alternatively, you could go to the channels of the streamers you are subscribed to as well. And if they are live, you could tap the gift a sub as well button and switch to a subscriber tab as well. And if they are offline, you could just tap subscribe button on their profile. And you could also disable the benefit of receiving gift by selecting it in your subscription menu and tapping on disable gift benefit. So this way you're supposed to manage your subscription on Twitch app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.